Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Gently part hair or clothing to fully see the tick. Use gloves or a tissue to avoid skin contact. This protects you and prevents crushing the tick. With fine-tipped tweezers, position the tips as close to the skin's surface as possible, right at the tick's mouth parts. Grip firmly and steadily. Do not squeeze the tick's body because that can force fluids into the wound. Once secured, prepare to pull straight out without jerking. You now apply firm, even pressure and pull straight upward. This reduces the chance of mouthparts breaking off. Once done, check the wound. If mouthparts remain, you can try to remove them with sterilized tweezers, but don't dig aggressively. Clean and monitor instead. After removal, don't crush the tick with your fingers. Place it in a sealed container or bag, or submerge in alcohol. Make sure to clean the bite area and your hands thoroughly with soap and antiseptic. Once the tick is out, thoroughly clean the site with soap and water, then apply an antiseptic. Cover if the area may be irritated. You should monitor the person for 30 days for any new rash, fever, or flu-like symptoms because early signs can appear later. If you notice signs of infection, a spreading rash, or if pieces of the tick remain lodged and you can't remove them, contact healthcare promptly. Keep the sealed tick sample. Doctors may want it for identification or testing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.